Hello all, in this video we will see what are operators in C programming. So operator is a symbol that will perform operation on operands. For example, if we take a plus b, so plus is a operator and a comma b are operands. So let us try to understand some arithmetic operators in C programming language. So there are some arithmetic operations we can perform in C programming language through some operators. Let us try to list down here. We have plus, that means addition. We have minus, that is subtraction. And we have star operator, that is called multiplication operator. And we have division operator for denoted with the forward slash, and we have a modulus operator. This is a remainder operator. When we divide two numbers, we will have some remainder, right? So in order to get the remainder, we use this particular operator, that is called modulo operator. In order to get the remainder, we will use this particular operator. So let us try to explain what's going inside these operators. So let's get started. So on the line number 4, I am declaring two variables called a comma b with a data type called integer. So this particular a and b should contain integer values. So a and b should not contain float values or double values. Don't worry, we will see what is float and what is double in my upcoming lectures. So a and b are the memory locations in which we need to store only integer values. That means positive or negative values only, do not contain any float values or double values. So once it is done and once we have declared the variables, after that I have written some comment lines. Comment lines are ignored by our compiler. These are just remark statements so that we can understand what's going in this program. So comments are for understanding purpose, not for the execution purpose. So we have already discussed in our previous videos, right? So at line number 9, we are asking enter a and b values. So and after that we are scanning, and scanf will allow us to take input from the keyboard, and in the scanf we are passing which type of data we need to take the input. We are passing format specifier as %d. This %d will tell the compiler, so we need to take the input as integer format. That means %d is a format specifier for integer data type. So we need to enter two values, %d and %d. Whatever we are entering, these values should go inside memory address of a and memory address of b. So I already told you ampersand is a memory address operator. Once you have given ampersand a, that means whatever you are going to enter the first number will go into the memory address of a. That means in the variable a, the value which you entered first will get stored, and after space or after you click on enter and you will try to give another number, right? Because we are entering two values here. So the second number will get stored in memory address of b. That is the meaning of this scanf. Once the input is ready, we need to perform some process. That means we need to perform some calculations. So with the help of some operators called plus, minus, into, division and modulus operator, let us try to understand how calculation works. At line number 11, I am saying addition of %d. So we are passing first %d. So this %d should refer in the first variable called a. So whatever you have entered as part of scanf will get read here. So then after that and %d, the second number will replace over here of referring from variable b. Once those are done, we need to perform some calculation a plus b. That value gets stored here. So that is the meaning of this particular line number 11. Okay. So in the same way, we are passing what is difference and we are passing what is product. Difference we will get a coefficient. I mean, I'm so sorry. Difference we will get the subtraction value. Difference we will get the subtraction value. Product we will get the product of multiplication value. That means this star is a multiplication value. Division will give you the quotient value. So that particular operator is forward slash. The remainder operator, once we have divided the two numbers, we'll have some remainder, right? So in order to access the remainder, we need to give this particular operator, that is called modulo operator. So we will try to run this code. First of all, go to execute and compile this code, so we don't have any errors or warnings, and go to execute and click on run. Now let us see. We are at line number enter a comma b values, and we are at line number 10. That means scanf is waiting for our input, right? So we need to enter two values. You can enter 10 space 20. That means 10 will get stored in A and 20 will get stored in B. So you can separate with new line character as well. After 10, just click on enter and enter 20. That means 10 will get stored in A, 20 gets stored in B. That is the meaning of this. And click on enter. We will have addition of 10 and 20 is this percentage D I might miss it there. So here I missed the percentage D. Okay. So just save this code and let us run this code once again. I might forget this percentage D. So let us save this code and rerun this code. For every modification, please compile the code and please run this code for every modification. That is to be taken care by you only. So don't after modification, don't try to run. Okay, just first compile and then run. So addition of 20 and 10 and 20 is 30. 10 and 20 10 minus 20 is minus 10. 10 into 20 is 200. Once we have 10 divided by 20, 0 point some value will come. So 0 will get stored in our variable, because we have given integer, right? So the decimal part will get discarded. Only 0 will be taken into consideration. 0 point no, because we have given only integer data type, right? So point values will not be stored. That is the meaning over here. And remainder of 10 and 20 is 10. Okay, so this is how the arithmetic calculations will work. So in our upcoming video, we will see relational operators in C programming language. So thanks for watching. I will see you in my next video.